Hey everyone, this is Tekas again. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can use ifs statement. So this is ifs statement. Okay. So in my previous several videos, I have shown you how you can use if statement and as well as nested if statement where you can use if statement within a if statement. But for nested if statement, there is some problem in that logical test because you have to count lots of parentheses and using if statement within an if statement is very difficult for new users. So basically, in Excel, Microsoft Excel 2000 after 2019, the if statement has been added to Microsoft Excel, and also Office 365 has this operation, and it's very easy for new users to use if statement instead of using nested if. So I'm going to calculate the grade for each of the students based on or by using if statement. So let's start. So first you have to click on the cell, then start the equation by using equation, and then write if and then s. So as you can see, the suggested ifs function has been shown, so just click on there. So first it will show you some suggested operations, so you have to give logical test on. So for logical test on, we are going to give John's mark, which is E7. If it is greater than or equal to 90, then the value, if the logical test 1 is true, would be grade A. So in nested if statement or function, what we used to do, that we used to write another if function here. But here for ifs function, what you have to do, you don't have to go through that complex procedure. You have to just write the logical test 2. So for logical test 2, we can just write E7, which is John's mark. If it is greater than or equal to 70, then the value would be B if it is true. So now logical test 3, the same procedure as logical test 2. So if John's mark is 7 is greater than or equal to 50, then the value would be C. Now logical test 4. So for logical test 4, we are going to do the same thing. E7 is greater than or equal to 33, then the grade would be D. And the final logical test for our case, which is logical test 5, if E7 is greater than, actually is shorter than, here is shorter than 33, then the candidate actually failed, so the grade is F. So you can now close the parenthesis. So you see, it's a very simple equation rather than using nested if equation. Okay, and the way the equation works, actually, when it will goes through the different logical test, first if this logical test is true, then it will give this value and it will ignore the all other logical test. Okay, so that's how it will operate. Okay, just press enter, and you see it has shown the grade C for John. And if you just pull the equation for other cell just by double clicking here. So you see Rob has failed because he has got 20, Chris has failed because he has got 25, Mike has got B because he has got 80. Okay, so if I change Chris's number, like instead of giving 25, if I give 35 and press enter, so you see the equation has been changed, as well as the result has been changed, and the grade has been like updated to grade D. Okay, so let's do what it was before. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's a very simple formula. Like as you can see, instead of using nested if you can use this ifs function, it would be very useful and very simple if you want to do a large amount of argument, if you want to give a large amount of conditions within a single if statement. Okay, thanks everyone. Don't forget to like, comments and subscribe, and also let me know if you want me to cover any additional topics.